When you hear the word transformer, you might think robots. But in our world, transformers are all about power. They're in the charger for your phone, the neighborhood utility pole, the doorbell in your home, and the power supply for your office building. Transformers work by stepping voltage up for long-distance travel and down for safe, usable power in homes and businesses. No moving parts, just magnetic fields doing the heavy lifting. In industry, transformers power motors, machines, lighting systems, and control panels. And when they fail, production grinds to a halt. At Global Electronic Services, we specialize in repairing and rebuilding industrial transformers. From thermal damage and insulation failure to full rewinds and reconditioning, we get your power back online, fast. So next time you flip a switch, charge a device, or ride an elevator, you've got a transformer to thank. Want to see what goes on inside one? Subscribe and keep your system strong. Global Electronic Services is manufacturing's #1 source for repair, sales, and service of all industrial electronics, servo motors, AC and DC motors, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Have a repair? We can help. Call or visit our website today. For more technical videos such as this one, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.